An inquiry form on your website is one of the most basic ways to capture people's information and request their details. Now, Gravity Forms is a very simple to use inquiry form system. So if that's installed, go to the Forms section of the dashboard menu, and we're going to click on New Form. Okay, so the name we give our form, it's just a kind of reminder of what the form is about. So, or what, the purpose is, or, what type of form it is. So we'll give it a name like inquiries, but you can call it anything. And now we want to add a few kind of important standard fields. And so the basic things for most inquiry forms are under advanced fields. We want name and email. Now, I typically don't use the phone field because the formatting of the number is inconsistent with the way we typically format phone numbers in Australia. So if you go back to standard fields, and we'll get a single line text and a paragraph text. So now we've put together our basic form structure. The last field, this is going to be our comments or inquiry. So we'll call it inquiry. And it's a large text box. And we're going to change its size to large. The untitled text field, that's going to become our phone number box. We want that to be required because what if someone didn't type in the correct email? At least we'll have their phone number. And we'll make that large as well. The email is a special field with some validation. So Gravity Forms will help try and make sure that people type in a valid email, and we want it to be required as well. Now, making a field required means that it must be something correct entered into it before the form can be submitted. And the name, we're going to have that as required as well. Great. So now we've got the basis of our standard inquiry form. So once we've put all the fields together that we want, then we simply click on Update Form, and that's saved the form. Now, in a subsequent video, we're going to show you how to set the form up to send to you as an email, and some other settings that are quite important as well.